In this video, I want to tell you about why clipping is not the best method to make money online. You might think it's very simple and easy to just clip clips and clip long form videos and make money based on WAP campaigns and things like that. But ultimately, the problem is there's not enough money. Okay, so anyone running these campaigns, there's lots of people trying to do the campaign and make money from it, but there's only so much money to go around. The money does run out, and then you got to find a different campaign. Right? And so until we find a better system there, it's just not going to work. It's not going to be optimal. You're not going to make the money that you want to make. And you're probably a young kid. If you're into clipping, you probably learned some editing skills, and there's no doubt about it. Those are extremely valuable skills. And when you know how to make a viral video, you can promote any offer. And that's the point I'm making is instead of just building someone else's brand, like Aiden Ross, you could be promoting an offer that earns reoccurring commissions, that is unlimited and uncapped, instead of some kind of capped WAP campaign. And that's what I want to get at. That's the core of this video is once you build this skill of clipping and you know how to make a viral video, you have to pair it with the right offer. So I want you to imagine pairing your skills with the right affiliate offer that earns reoccurring commissions. And that offer is my school group. I'll put a link in the description below. But basically, when you refer other people to my school group, you get 50% reoccurring commissions. And it's an amazing opportunity for anyone who does short form content, has some kind of experience doing this. You know, you don't have to deal with any kind of customer service or inventory. You simply just post your content, and I teach you within the group how to automate sharing your link, how to automate some of the processes, responding to comments and DMing new followers, things like that. And I also teach how to edit the videos, the viral video framework, and how to create a high trust account within Instagram, because some accounts just will never go viral. And the accounts kind of need to be started the right way, just because Instagram has an internal trust score where they're trying to defend themselves against bots and people making a lot of accounts very quickly. So the viral video framework, you get high trust accounts, and you get the best affiliate program in the world, Project Profit. You get to make reoccurring monthly income at 50% reoccurring commission. So that's $25 per referral, automatically tracked and paid out directly to you. And from there, all you have to do is promote your link through short form content. So you probably already have your accounts that you're clipping on. It's a perfect scenario because let's say you've already had some clips go viral. That means within your account, you've already raised the floor of views, and Instagram is already pushing your future content. Now, that's a beautiful situation. If you're in that situation, then you need to be taking advantage of the right offer here, promoting Project Profit, sharing your link, and earning these recurring commissions. Again, it's completely uncapped, but it's only once you pair the virality with the right offer that really makes the difference and really starts to build, reoccurring income that you can later use to support yourself and your family. And I'm honored to be able to bring you this opportunity and tell you about it. And it's a perfect partnership where you and I split commissions 50-50 on the group members, and we both benefit. So I get to teach you exactly how to, post content, take advantage and make sure your account is high trust, and the viral video framework, and provide you with the opportunity to make money by referring other people to my group. So it's a beautiful situation. If you're a clipper, please take advantage of this. I'll leave the link in the description below. Check it out.